Are we on? Hey. Woo! It's Saturday. It's beautiful out here. Oh, look, I'm grilling more chicken. Oh yeah. So I don't know if y'all know who Sam Harris is, but he's an atheist. He's written a lot of books and stuff, and I'm a big fan. Here's a little quote of his. He said, George Bush says he speaks to God every day and Christians love him. If George Bush said he spoke to God through his hairdryer, they'd think he was crazy. I fail to see how the addition of a hairdryer makes it any more absurd. Chicken!